what does this flag mean to me? The greatest country in the world.
Grace, AJ, this is Dawn and Pam Rackler.
Oh,
Say it again.
You're on TV. You're a star. That's what you are. Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you this morning?
Oh,
Good.
Now, this is
Good.
your air conditioner fixed.
Yes, sir.
Well, who to call?
Yeah, you betcha.
One call does it all, AJ.
Well, we're gonna get you a brand new one that'll be nice and quiet. How about that?
Oh man, yeah.
Huh? Heard the one you got noisy, loud.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's noisy.
I should have put it in the attic. I should have put it up in the attic.
Well, we're gonna put it in the attic.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. We're gonna relocate it, put all new ductwork, and get everything fixed up for you, nice, and be good and quiet. Get you some hot, fix that hot water so you can have instant hot water when you turn it on. You don't have to wait for the hot water.
Man, that sounds good.
Oh, look at this. Can you see all these people that's over here, baby? Look at them. They're ready to do something for you. Here's another one, there's trucks.
Now we bought everybody today. We bought the AC team, we bought the plumbers, we bought the electricians. We're all here,
Oh man,
and they're ready to work. What do you think? We should get started, or what do you think?
might as well.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your service. We appreciate you. God bless you.
Thank you.
bet.
Remember,
Thank you.
You bet.
Hi, my name is Ray Hoteling, and I nominated AJ Dunn for to John Wayne to be the recipient of the Operation Christmas Comfort makeover, and he was selected. AJ was in Pearl Harbor on the 7th of December 1941 when we were attacked by the Japanese. He was there. He was on Town Pass, or Liberty, if you will, that day. So he wasn't on a ship. And as soon as the bombs and he started hearing the destruction, they ran back to the harbor to try to take their post on their ship, and their ship had already been capsized. So there was a destroyer that was pulling anchors and about to head out of the harbor, and him and his buddies that were there that day, they jumped on that ship to do whatever they could do to help face the enemy. And just amazing when you think about our veterans and what they do for us and our nation, and in the face of the enemy, to take a stance, to be there, to fight them and face them head on. It's incredible. And now here we are, you know, in his mid-90s, and he's still alive and still kicking, and he'll still sit down and share his story with anybody that wants to take the time to sit down and listen.
I did what I was trained to do, and that was all that was in my head. What do I do next? What am I supposed to do? I wasn't thinking any further than that. Otherwise, I would have been kind of worried. makes me feel so good, so fortunate, so appreciative that I just can't tell you how much. I just can't believe that a company like John Wayne would go all out to do things for me that unbelievable.
When I think of Don Rackler, I think that he is one of God's servants. I really think he's trying to do, he has to love the Lord to be able to do something like this. And we're very grateful to him for all of the things he did. It wasn't little Mickey Mouse things. This is high dollar stuff that this man allowed to be put into this house. And we're very grateful for everything that he's done. Thank you so much. God bless you both. It's coming from me and AJ. Thank y'all very much. We're very thankful that God has put y'all in our paths. And I hope you have a wonderful year. Thank you, John Wayne. Thank you so much.